we are going to be mainly looking at triangles, you will see some different shaped figures when you do some of your homework. And this movement of taking something and moving it, let's see, what was this one? We went left 4 and up 1. That movement can be called a vector. And I want to talk to you about that. So on this delta math, this says this figure is going 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. And so we know it's going to be, all of these are going to go boom, boom, okay? Now, what this particular part or section of delta math is wanting you to do is realize that it's a vector movement. We haven't talked a lot about vectors at all, and I don't expect you to understand, but just know translating is vector movement, okay? So when it says draw a vector from the origin, 1 unit to the right, so like this, and then down 2, that's your vector movement. Now, once I did that, it changed and said move the tail of the vector to each vertex. This figure is a quadrilateral, so there are 4 vertices, vertex, there's 4 of them, and I'm moving this vector movement. I'm going to be showing it on each of these. And then it says you are done. You may now press submit. Now watch this. I'm sure. Okay. It's going to show the movement. I mean, we knew that was going to happen, but it's going to show the movement. Okay, so let's look at this one. This one's going 4 units to the right and 3 units up. So 4 units to the right, 3 units up. There's my vector movement. And then I'm going to put this on the end. So on the end or on each vertex, so it will simulate for me the movement. Okay, so I can see, oh, there's where it's going. Press submit and we can see the simulation. So look, cool. It's a vector movement. Okay, now, what if I want to translate this 2 left and 1 down? I need to plot all the points, so 2 left and 1 down, and I just go from the vertex of each. 2 left, 1 down, 2 left, 1 down, and I think that's pretty good. I'm going to hit submit and hope that's right. And I was. Okay? So when you do problems like this, just be aware. 3 units right, 2 units up. So 3 right, 2 up. Delta Math's actually nice on this because you don't have to graph them yourself. 3 right, 2 up. 3 right, 2 up. Am I getting them all? 3 right, 2 up. I think I got them all. 3 right, 2 up. Okay. Yeah, okay. And you can watch it happen. It's that vector movement. A vector has a length and a direction. So we had a certain length that we were going in a certain direction. Okay, now what about this? If you were given H and G and it says it's mapping figure G onto figure H, so G is your preimage, H is your image, so G is mapping to H. So this is your beginning, G is your beginning. So you just think what's happening. So you got to pick a point and go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We went left 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like up 5. So left 4, and then I'm going to put up 5, and I'm going to hit try and see if that does it. I don't think it quite did it. I didn't go up the right amount. So let's do 6 and try that. That's better. I guess I just miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And then I just hit submit. Okay, so anyway, this is going to be some of your homework. And then you're also going to see, I'm going to give you a few like this, where this is actually the one I did in your notes with you with the last 3 note cards where, you know, we moved it left 4 and up 1. But then what if I gave you this scenario where each page on this is a different scenario? So I don't have the verbal rule, I have the algebraic rule, and you should know what that verbal rule is. Let's see, x plus 2, that means we go right 2, and y minus 2, that means we go down 2. And I've given you some of the original points and some of the image points. And so you kind of have to finagle what's going on there and what would that be, and then graph it, okay? So have fun, enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.